Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A36 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or a comfort mode. So we will begin with the customization, so let's start by opening the settings, and here let me go back and find the display. Then let's tap on night light and tap on turn on now, tap on the switcher. Now you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. Under it, we've got the intensity of the filter, so we can change the intensity by going to the left, we can make it cooler, and by going to the right, warmer, so more intense. Here we also can reduce the white point, which basically means that it will change the brightness of the colors and the screen won't be that bright. We can also turn it on automatically, just upon the second switcher here, and we've got two different options. So we can turn it on at custom time, and we can freely choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly, or turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. As you can see, you have to set it. Alright, so this is the customization of this mode, and if you wish to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the top bar. Let's unroll it fully to open all of those options here, and now we have to find the night light. In my case, it is not here, it is not visible, so we have to tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon, and here we have to find the night light. So as you can see, it's here in my case, so let's tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. Now we can simply go back, you do not have to confirm it or anything, and as you can see, we've got our night light applied. So simply tap on it to turn it on, and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.